In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to recover your Instagram account. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually go into your mobile browser, or you can even do this on your computer just so you know. But go into Google in here as you can see, and then you're going to search for recover Instagram account. So search for recover Instagram account, because then you should be taken to this page right here as you can see. So now on this page, then what you're going to do is to click where it says I can't log in, as you can see. So click on this one, then you should be taken to this page right here. Now on this page, then what you're going to do is to find where it says your account has been disabled right here. As you can see, just click on it, click on your account has been disabled, because then you should be taken to this page. Disabled Instagram account, as you can see, because in here we're actually able to access the specific section that we need to access to be able to recover our Instagram account. So now scroll down in here. As you can see, was this helpful? I'm going to click on no, then click on other. So click on other. Now you're going to write like this: I need to recover this account. So now you're going to write the username of that account. Then you're going to also write the email that is connected to that account. And then you're going to write the name of that account as well. So the username, then the mail connected to that account, and the name that you have on that account as well, and then the phone number that is connected to that account. So you need to provide them as many information as you possibly can to be able to actually recover your Instagram account. If you don't provide them with enough information, then this will probably not work, just so you know. If you don't remember your mail or your phone number, for example, it's okay to remove one of them. But it's not okay, unfortunately, to remove both phone and mail, because then it will not be possible to recover your Instagram account. They will need to be able to actually know that one of those are actually connected to your Instagram account to be able to connect you to that Instagram account basically. So after that, you can just click on submit and then wait 1 to 2 business days, and hopefully after that you will get an email from Instagram or a text message from Instagram, depending on if you wrote your phone number or email, and then hopefully after that you will be able to recover your account.